down from the interval to the finish, the gap to our leader Sokolovic. Now, this is Scott Meyer of the United States. His first Winter Paralympics. He didn't race slalom in the World Championships in La Molina. He is only skiing slalom. And taking a bit more of a direct line than, say, Natsume before him. Sokolovic's time 31.91. And Meyer, well, it looks as if he's being more direct than Natsume, but he's going to be slower than Natsume at the time check. 6.71 off the pace of Sokolovic. And Sokolovic has really put the pressure on the rest of the field to ski the second run quickly, because he leads by over 1.5 seconds, almost 2 seconds to third place. And he will have the luxury of knowing what he has to do in his second run. Sometimes that can be a hindrance, sometimes it can be a help. Meyer a little late in the line, but he gets that. And